Hi everybody, welcome back to Quick K-Pop Basics. Today we are continuing the head isolations by bringing them into that full circle. Okay, yesterday we did the side to side, forward and back. If you missed that video, you can check it out over on my profile. For now, let's get started with this. So remember, shoulders steady, head straight, and move from the chin. Okay, here we go. Bring the chin over to the right side, bring it down to the front, bring it around to the left and to the back. Let's go back to the left side. Bring it to the front, bring it to the right, and bring it to the back. Okay, so that's how we break it into the four pieces. We bring them all together and it'll make it into a circle. Okay, so let's do that circle together now, starting on the right side. There we go. 3, 4. Right, forward, left, back, other way, left, forward, right, other way, right, forward, left, other way, left, forward, right, back. And that is how you bring a head isolation into a full circle. Well done on your work today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.